Hey YouTube, we are in MATLAB this time. Now you're gonna see a MATLAB. I hope you will like this video. I will show you what will happen if you go out in this. You will be to an animal. The monsters are sometimes really strong, but if you are an animal, you are faster. But it's not all time good to be an animal. Shut. Hvor fanden er du hen? Er du oppe med mig? Godt. Afsted. Det var en ind til bussen. Pas på, vi skal passe på, for jeg er bange for MATLABs, ja. Ja, for sidste gang jeg var herinde døde jeg. Det var der Mr. Sky. Hvad?
En gang jeg fik golden på en af bossen. Det er virkelig godt. Så vi kan tænde i hver blok.
Fedt. You can get good stuff in Rare Drop at the not boss monsters. I had got permanent attack in one of them, and Irwin had just got T9 Katana. So yeah. Let's see what happened this time. Last time I was in here, I died because I was an animal and confused. So that's what's not so funny. Fuck. Help up about it. Confused an animal. I hate that shit. Okay, let's see this way. Okay, we are the boss. This way. Boss of this way. Ah man, I am not my. Let's get in here. That one it was. Let's see what happened. We are the boss. We are set up a boss now. We are close to the boss. We are closer at the boss right now. That's not okay. I take you up here, boss. We are versus the boss. Then there's one. There's Oryx in my screen. Hello there. Hvis man kan få noget, når der dør. Hvordan fanden kan man få noget som et dyr, mand? Fortsæt videre, mand. Stå. Au. Stå.
Der var en droppet til 4 skål.
Hvad?
Der var en droppet til 4 skål.
Fedt. Men jeg har så ikke plads til noget, så derfor gik jeg jo. Fordi jeg også vil udlede efter tårn.
Gør vi det?
Ja, shit, der står hvor der er nogen. Fordi anden boss, Mathias, anden bossen. Hvad? Hvorfor ikke?